Lot size is something which you need to know before you are going to trade. It helps you to figure out how much risk you are going to take on your trade. But if you are trading into the smaller time frames, that is 1 or 3 minutes, most likely it could be a headache for you to calculate the exact lot size in such a friction of time. So today we will learn how to calculate accurate lot size for our stop loss in just few seconds. So first of all, let's move to the position size website. This is the position size website, and I know you might be knowing this thing already, but trust me, we are going to calculate our lot sizes just in seconds. So be with me and let's see how we do it. So let's put our account size right here. That is, for me it's 5,000. The risk which I take is 0.2%, and let's suppose our stop loss is 4 pips. So our lot size will be 0.25 lots. So this is for Euro USD, and you can switch into whichever pair you are actually trading into. So now let's move to the trading view. So this is the trading view chart and this is the 1 minute chart. So suppose that the price is moving into this zone right here, and I'm going to place a trade right at this zone, and my stop loss is right here. So I can clearly see that my stop loss is 3.6 pips, but putting it right here and calculating everything right again will be too tough for me, and just changing the tab will be too tough, since on the MT4 I'll be putting the same data to take a quick trade. But what can we do right here is, here I have already put my account size. I've put the lot size, which is 1 right here. It is by default. And the risk, I don't usually put the risk into percentage, but even if we put it, it's 0.2%. So for me, it's into the USD, that is $10. So let's keep it like this, that we are using this for the stop loss calculation. But this could be confusing since we are having multiple numbers right here and we don't know if it is 0.27 or 0.027. So for that problem, I found a solution, that is, I keep a sticky note of multiple pips and the lot sizes along my table. So this gives me an idea that how much lot size I should take if I'm going to take a risk of 3.6 pips. So right here I can clearly see that it is 277. So it is 3.6 pips and it is close to 3, that is, my stop loss will be 0.27 lots. So it was quite quick to see these things right here and calculate it within seconds. So this is the sticky note which I'm having in front of me right now in the real life. So let's suppose that we are having a short trade right at this high, having the stop loss right at this zone. So currently our stop loss is 3.1 pips. So we are already having 3 lots, that is, which is right in front of us. So most likely we are going to take a trade with 0.33 lots, but what if we are going to extend it? So it's 5.3. So most likely we are going to take a trade of 0.18 lots for 0.2% risk of 5,000. So this was quite easy for me. Let's take some more examples. Suppose that we are going to have a sale trade right at this zone, and our stop loss is 3 pips, or let's keep it 3.9, 3.8 pips, 7 pips, which is not in our sticky note, and in our sticky note all of them are whole numbers. So for a precise lot size, this is really helpful for me since I can clearly see that it's 0.27 lots for this to take a trade. I hope this will be quite beneficial for you. Do write me in comments, and if you like this video, do like and subscribe this channel. So this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching.